Hi guys, it's only me. I'm actually at a big college, my son's Guildford College. This is just part of the school that they had all the way. It's such a big big area. I don't know where I am, so I might be I hope I'm not gonna get lost or something. So I'm just here having a review with my son's performance at school. There's a car park, student car park, that is more building from the back. So I'm just like near the reception. It's one of the buildings. Reception main building, learning. So I really don't know where to go, frankly. Where did we came? I was just like, don't know which. There's still, oh my god. I think I'm lost in such a big school. So, another car park here for the students. Oh dear. It's just a day. So I don't know where I am exactly, frankly. I'm like lost in the middle of, this is my son's school. Can you believe that? Oh no, where I am. I don't know which car park I am in. Oh my god. Just gonna try to look around. Uh-oh. It's a very big school. Oh my god. I'm lost. Where are we? I'm still at the car park, so I went to the other. Well, it's only me. It's Exotic Van BJ. So have a great day, and it's the 23rd of February here in the UK, and it's freezing cold. And I'm at the college at my son's big school. Alright, cheer you everyone. Bye.